How to turn off OneDrive in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So first, if you have OneDrive running in your taskbar right here, you should basically close it or open the settings from here. But since I've disabled it, I'm going to show you how to do it. OneDrive, you should search for OneDrive and open the application. And it should open up this window right here. But as you can see, I am already signed out of my OneDrive account, so it should bring out this icon on your taskbar. Right click on it and it should open up this window. Now go to settings and then go to the account section and make sure to click on unlink this PC and then click on unlink account. And while it's still running, you should go back to the settings. And sometimes you might find the turn up or basically run this on startup when Windows starts. You should try to disable it from here. And if you can't find it here, you should basically right click on the taskbar and open the task manager. And then you want to go to the startup tab. And from here, you want to search for OneDrive. And if you find it right here, right click on it and then click on disable to disable it from basically being started whenever Windows is started up. And then you can basically go to the taskbar right here and right click on it and basically click on quit OneDrive and then click on quit OneDrive and it should be closed. And like that, it shouldn't be started or linked to your PC whenever you restart, and it's going to be disabled forever. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.